If you're a business owner and you're not 100% sure how profitable your business really is, this tool is going to help you a lot. Today, I'm going to show you the Omni Margin Calculator on our website and explain how it works, what these numbers actually mean, and why this is one calculator you should absolutely save or bookmark. The Omni Margin Calculator helps you understand your business profitability in a very clear way. It shows you your gross profit, operating profit, net profit, and even your markup, all in one place. Instead of guessing or using complicated spreadsheets, you just enter a few numbers and instantly see the full picture. Let's start at the top. First, you enter your revenue, which is the total money your business brings in. Next is cost of goods sold, also called COGS. This is the direct cost to deliver your product or service, materials, labor, or anything directly tied to sales. Then you'll enter operating expenses. This includes rent, software, utilities, marketing, payroll, basically what it costs to run your business. You also have other expenses, which could be things like bank fees, interest, or one-off costs. Finally, you can enter units sold and labor hours, which helps give even deeper insight into efficiency. Once everything is filled in, click Calculate Margins. Now, this is the most important part, the results. Here you'll see your gross profit margin. This tells you how much money you keep after covering the direct cost of your product or service. Next is operating profit margin, which shows how well your business performs after regular operating expenses. And finally, net profit margin. This is the real number. This tells you what's actually left in your pocket after all expenses. You'll also see markup analysis, which helps you understand if your pricing makes sense or if it needs adjustment. All of this is calculated instantly, with no accounting background needed. This calculator is powerful because it helps you make better decisions. You can quickly see if your prices are too low, if expenses are eating your profits, if your business model is actually sustainable. It's also extremely useful before raising prices, cutting costs, or planning growth. I strongly recommend saving or bookmarking this calculator. You can come back to it anytime you want to check your numbers or test different scenarios. You'll find it at jccastleaccounting.com/Omni Margin Calculator. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more free tools and simple explanations to help you run your business smarter.